This is entertainment purposes only. So if you're going to do stuff like this on your own, have the proper equipment. What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to the channel. I've been asked a bunch over the last few years of me working by myself as to how I install individual rafters on a garage. So I wanted to answer that question kind of in a broad sense. I dug up some video I had from where I installed rafters on a 16 by 20 garage. It was a 612 pitch. It took me about 45 minutes to install 22 rafters from the first to the last. It's moving ladders and everything. Thought that wasn't too bad a time. You don't have to watch 45 minutes of footage, but I did condense it down to about 7 minutes, cut out some of the stuff in between, and threw some music at it to show you guys. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Stick around to the end of the video. I'll kind of go over my setup and how I did it. So check it out. Easy peasy, right? Alright, the key to setting rafters by yourself is to know where your ridge is going to be so you can set the ridge on some bracing to set your rafters. The way I do it, I take the dimensions. It was a 20-foot wide garage, a 6/12 pitch, so your rafters are going half of that, 10 feet. So 6 inches per foot, 60 inches. It was a 2x6 rafter, which means that it had a 2x8 ridge. The 2x8 ridge sits down about 2 inches below the rafter, and then you have the bird's mouth on the seat cut, which takes about 2 inches out of the rafter. So that's 4 inches lower that you need to be. So if you have 60 inches overall of rise on your rafter, you take the 4 inches off. I built my bracing to be at 56 inches right above the plate, set my rafter on it. That's how you do it. Now this video didn't show me putting the angle bracing and stuff on, which I had to do at the end because if not you just have wobbly rafters. Angle braces will run from the gable wall plate at a 45-degree angle up to the ridge. You plumb everything in, so that's how you keep everything solid. Once you get the OSB on everything, then it holds it all together. If you've got any questions, drop them down below. I would be happy to answer them. Like I said, this is just how I do it. I'm sure there's smarter people that are way more adept at doing stuff like this out there that have way safer ways of doing this stuff. I'll put a card to the playlist somewhere here of my big garage build video where I'm actually setting trusses. That was precarious. I do not recommend doing that on your own. Always have at least one other idiot with you. It makes, you know, many hands of idiots makes light work or something, I think is what they say. So anyway, I just wanted to make this video real quick, throw it all together, let you guys check it out. Let me know what you think down below. If this helped you at all and you think this is cool content, it gets worse, but hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so when I throw something stupid up there you'll be able to watch it and laugh at me. So anyway guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Why don't you go find a stick? Hey, I got a stick over here. Here's a stick. A stick? You dropped the stick! Here, wanna try the stick?